Hello everyone, today's like a really exciting day because this just came in the mail. This is the iPhone SE 2020. The new version of the SE was updated finally after more than 3 years with the original release in 2016. So it's going to be an exciting version. So of course, I talked about this device on my channel for quite some time now. And basically what it is, it's the iPhone 8 with upgraded specs basically, but there are many similarities to it. So stay tuned for some reviews coming later in the coming days. But this device features the processor as seen in the iPhone 11 series, which means it's going to be really fast. So I opted for the 64GB version. Of course, you can go higher than that, but the price is really competitive. And what I've been hearing on Twitter and everywhere is that basically many people are really switching to this device because of its size, the Touch ID, and especially people who even have iPhone 11 Pros, they are going to this device just for its capabilities and its speed and also the size of the device. All right, let's get into the unboxing. Here it is. This is the box of the iPhone SE, and as you can see, it is actually quite thick. It's surprisingly thick. I always thought it would be a little bit thinner, but here we go. Let's open this iPhone up. I'm really excited to get into it. So of course this is the red version. I opted for this version because it also helps. Part of the money that you spend on this iPhone helps the fight against the coronavirus. So removing the box, of course you have your paperwork on top. Of course this is a product red version, so you have all that and everything here. So basically here is the device, and it's pretty much what you can expect. It looks pretty much like the original iPhone 8. Nothing really big deal here, but it looks really nice. Like the iPhone 8, I really enjoyed it back then when I had this device. And now with the nice glossy background with the red color, it just looks amazing. So of course you can also buy this in the white and black color, which is quite cool for different tastes in color. So let's go ahead, remove this and start putting fingerprints all over the iPhone because the glass just makes it so precious. So here it is. This is the device. As you can see, the screen is here. Of course, you have your borders here, which make it a little bit look older, but the screen size is still okay. The screen is still good with Apple's technology. And you have the Touch ID sensor, which many people missed in the iPhone 11 and XS and like 3 generations back. So we have, of course, the single lens camera with your flash over here. So the camera has no improvements. It is pretty much the same as on the iPhone 11 series, except that now what was not on the iPhone 8, you are able to take portrait pictures with the selfie camera and portraits in general, which make it a great addition. Of course, you can also modify some of the pictures. So with the A13 processor, there are many changes to it to the software side. So you can do a lot more when taking pictures. So stay tuned for that video coming later in the week about how the cameras and just the review in general is. So of course you have your buttons here, the volume buttons. You still remain with the lightning port, the speakers on the bottom, which make it a great device to have. So of course I missed the size. I opted for the iPhone 11 Pro Max this year, and the size is effectively quite big. So having a device this big in your hands just make it feel much better, even though it's just the iPhone 8, but seeing it again a few years after makes it a really nice experience, especially with the speed of the iPhone. Continuing on with the unboxing, you will have your standard charging brick. Of course, this is the Hong Kong version because I'm in Hong Kong, so the UK plug, which is this nice triangle shaped thing. And then you have your earbuds right here, as well as the charging cable, which is the Lightning to USB. It of course supports fast charging, so if you're a fan of that, it is here, which is super great to see. So yeah, this is the unboxing of this amazing device. It's actually really cool, and I really like the red color. It just makes it so nice. So the iPhone is all unboxed right over here. As you can see, it's not that big. It's quite small. It's a great size, and I'm really excited to go and test this iPhone out. So stay tuned for videos coming on this. I'm really excited about this one. But if you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay notified when I release my next video. Also follow me on Twitter for more recent updates and some cool pictures from this iPhone. Also, if you missed my previous video, then please click the card shown up here. Okay, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.